The Dirty Bunch Jeep Club is back on the trail.
So come ride with us!
In this video, we'll talk about the third Jeep Badge of Honor trail at the Hot Springs Off-Road Park. It's called Fun Run, and it is a fun run. Now, this is the third video in a three-part video series that we've done on the Hot Springs Off-Road Park and their Jeep Badge of Honor trails. In the first video, we covered the Hot Springs Off-Road Park. We talked about the Jeep Badge of Honor system, and we looked at the first trail, Rubicon Ridge. Video 2 looked at the second trail, Snake, and now third, we're going to look at Fun Run. If you've not already seen the first two videos, please check them out. Let us know what you think about them in the comments. We're always very interested in hearing from you. And if you've not already done so, please go ahead and subscribe here. It's free for you to do, but it's a huge benefit for us, and we really appreciate that. So with that done, let's buckle up, let's get some tunes going, and let's check out the third Jeep Badge of Honor trail at the Hot Springs Off-Road Park Fun Run. There are currently 3 Jeep Badge of Honor trails at the Hot Springs Off-Road Park: Rubicon Ridge, Snake, and Fun Run. We covered Rubicon Ridge and Snake in previous videos, and today we'll be focused on Fun Run. Before you get out on the trail, you're going to want to get a map. You can pick them up at the park store at the entrance, or you can find one on their website. We found one on Gaia, which was great because it allowed us to use GPS to track our course through the park. You'll find Fun Run on the map under Section G, Trail G3. This trail is the shortest of the 3 trails, coming in at just under a mile, but it is arguably the most difficult of the 3. This short trail will take you about 40 minutes to complete. Looking to the Jeep Badge of Honor app, you'll see that Jeep has given this trail a rating of 5 to 7. Which puts this trail right smack dab in the middle of the demanding trail ratings. We did the trail on a good weather day, and we felt that a rating of 5 was appropriate. But as you'll see in this video, there are sections that could be dramatically more difficult if it were wet. All right, we just did a big chunk of Fun Run, and that is a lot of fun. You get in there about 500, 700 yards, and you've got a nice steep incline that's about the length of 4 or 5 Jeeps. Good slick rocks right there. If you do that trail, stay to the passenger side. We found that the more you get onto the driver's side, a little more difficult it is. This is a great trail. If you've not done the Fun Run trail at the Hot Springs Off-Road Park, you're missing out. This is a great trail. Come out here and give it a try. It's not the easiest trail. We're right now at about a 25-degree incline. Doesn't look like it on video, I know. But you can see Jose is he's in a JK with 40s on a 4.5-inch lift. And he's got lockers, 4-wheel drive. Takes a little effort to get up here. Now Tiffany's been driving this all day. We've got the grandbabies in the back seat. We've got Justin in the front seat. The family's enjoying an off-road day here at the park. And man, it doesn't get any better than this. This is the grandbabies' first off-road trailing. That's fantastic. We get to share that with them in their hometown. They live here in Hot Springs. Are you having fun? Having fun? We want to hear from you, and we respond to 100% of the comments we receive. Have you done the Jeep Badge of Honor trails at the Hot Springs Off-Road Park? If so, please let us know what you thought about the trails in the comments below. If you've not done the trails, please let us know what you think about them now that you've seen them here. This video series is a joint collaboration between the Dirty Bunch Jeep Club and the Best Life Adventure channel. If you've not already done so, please subscribe and follow both channels on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.